Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to see when someone started to follow you on Instagram. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And then once you're in here in the home section, all right, not your profile, not the search bar, on the home section, I'll go ahead and go to the very top. At the top right, you have the heart icon. I'll just go ahead and tap on it. And you will be able to see, as you can see here, the persons who follows you recently. All right. So for example, 9 weeks ago, this person followed me. 20 weeks ago, this person followed me as well. All right. You'll be able to see it under the notifications section. Now, another option, go ahead over to your DM section. All right. So if you have, or if you have ever sent a direct message to each other, you can find a rough timeline. So open up the DM, then scroll all the way up to the very beginning of the chat. And if you followed each other around that time, Instagram often displays a small text anchor at the top saying you followed each other along with the approximate date. And those are the ways to see when someone started to follow you on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.